The code is written entirely in JavaScript, and for this I have used also two alert systems which is connected to the same product, which is the temperature prediction product. Okay, and as you can see, the current temperature is around 26 degrees Celsius. Okay, and for the alert system I have used idea in such a way that if it crosses a particular sensor value, which I have given for both the alert system as 27 to 275, which roughly translates to 26.86 after multiplying it with a multiplication factor of 0.0977, and if it crosses the 26.86 limit, then I get the higher temperature alert, which I have already got. Here is the maximum limit cross alert, and this I have actually deliberately got by deliberately rubbing the LM35 for a few moment, because obviously we cannot get it at room temperature. We need to cross the limit by some margin, and the lower limit is for the again for the same to get the push notification, but if it could not cross the 26.86 mark. Now I have taken some time to cool my LM35 sensor down. Let us push data to the cloud and let's see what is the current temperature. Let us push it. Now it's solely up to the user to take the correct decision, whether to turn on, based on the alert, he can turn on and off the LEDs via Google Assistant. So for that, I have used this IFTTT alert system. I have created few applets, exactly 8 applets. Now let's see how it works. Okay, Google, turn on the LED of room 1.
Turning the first room LED on.
As you can see, the yellow light is glowing. Okay, Google, turn on the LED of room 2. Okay, now that is also on. Okay, Google, turn off the LED of room 1.
Turning the first room LED off.
Okay, so now the yellow LED is off and only the white LED is glowing, which is for the room 2. Okay, Google, turn off both LED.
Turning off both LED.
Okay, Google, turn on both LED.
Turning on both LED.
Now both yellow and white LEDs are glowing. Okay, Google, turn off both LED.
Turning off both LED.
I will provide the necessary data and screenshots of how to form these applets to create the product. Now the main trick is to see these first 4 applets. Okay, now for IFTTT applets, the maximum number of URL you can provide is only 1, and that too only one pin can be used. Okay, that is, only one pin can be stated as low, which is for off, or high, which is for on. So the main thing is, when you give the phrase as turn on both LED, then you can see that I have used in 2 places the same phrase, the turn on both LED. Okay, and I have used the pins 1 and 4, which is connected to the ground in the breadboard, but the pins essentially used are 1 and 4. So when I created this, I had to just make sure the phrase you say to your Google Assistant is same in both the cases, and the phrase which Google Assistant replies back to you needs to be the exact same in both the cases. And for these 2 applets, you need to provide 2 different URLs specifying 2 different pins, where for this I have, the state is obviously high because it says turn on. Similar is the procedure for turn off both LED applets. Thank you.